Hello rapid sale buyers, welcome to the Krafka sale. Here it's preview day, a beautiful day overlooking the backyard, and let's just do a walkthrough so you can see the quality of the items. We've got people here that arrived early to take a look and are just impressed how nice it looks. So we're just going down the ramp into the basement. Big wide door for entrance out the back for pickup on Saturday. Everything is well labeled, identified, marked, laid out for the preview all throughout. Look how clean this equipment is, shining top to bottom, immaculate condition. Mr. Krafka was a very meticulous machine and tool die operator. Everything is numbered, ready to go. Got people checking things out, not complaining, happy to see what they're seeing. Lots of activity here today, early in the day. All kinds of things here for everybody. All nicely, neatly organized. Numbered for everybody's viewing. Everybody's scratching their head. Where do I look next? Aren't these beautiful pieces of equipment? Very interesting items. So everything is in the basement or out in the shop. So if you're picking up on Saturday, bring your help to get it to the door. We will have a subcompact tractor to help get it further. It only has a certain lifting capacity also. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, here's your opportunity to bid, buy, and win at the Rapid Sale online auction. What an incredible offering.